Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Retired and Loving It. Today, we're in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm Terry.
And I'm Keith.
And we're sitting outside of Antique Archaeology that you see on TV. Wow. We got to meet Mike. How exciting is that?
That is super exciting, guys. I mean, I'm just really pumped up. This is one of the bucket list check-offs. Man, got to meet Mike. Wow.
If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. As we drove up to the building where Antique Archaeology is housed, we even had to ask someone where it was. It wasn't what we expected. Although it does make sense for Antique Archaeology to be in an old marathon building, the store itself was a lot smaller than we expected. It was filled with antiques and a lot of beautiful items, and we were determined we wanted to buy something, but most we could not afford. We did end up buying a coffee mug for $25, which we decided to share, and we'll show you that mug later in the video. As you can imagine, there were lots of people coming in and out of this small store as tour buses would drop people off out front. As I was walking through the store, a lady said, "There he is." I said, "There's who?" She said, "Mike from American Pickers. He's there with his daughter." And I looked, and there he was. To say we were starstruck was an understatement. I could barely put two words together when we talked to him. He was so gracious. He spent time talking with people, taking pictures with people. Even though he was there in the store trying to work, he was so gracious to speak to everyone he met. As Keith and I drove into Tennessee on our way to Antique Archaeology, we talked and we said, wouldn't it be awesome if we got there and we were able to meet Mike and Frank? And we laughed and thought, oh yeah, that would be awesome. Never in our wildest dreams did we think that Mike would actually be there. We just couldn't believe it. And there's our $25 coffee mug. This old building was a cotton mill back in the 1800s. Then it was Marathon Motor Works, where they made marathon vehicles in the 1900s. And down the street is a museum of the old marathon cars that used to be made here in this building. It was full of interesting old cars and old motor works antiques. The building right next to Antique Archaeology was a mall full of various stores, and in the hallway was filled with all kinds of antiques, which were awesome to see. A lot of the antiques in the hallways were what were used when it was the Marathon factory. What a great experience this was. It is something we will never forget. It's not every day you get to meet a TV star.
Thanks so much for joining
Yes,
us, guys. How awesome it was to meet Mike.
Guys, we had a great time here. From American Pickers, we got to meet Mike. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead and press that subscribe button right over here, and also give us a big thumbs up and share these videos with your friends.
We'll see you next time on
Retired and Loving It.